여러분 안녕하십니까? 니콜라스입니다. And in this video I want to share with you my new home office setup. I only made a video like this once in the history of this channel. As you can see, I am in a new location, new country, new continent. How long we're gonna be here, I don't know, but I had to make an office space. I did it and I am so happy, specifically with two purchases I made that I want to share with you. One of those, I believe none of you will be able to guess what it is and you are not going to expect. It is something I believe every single developer should have in their home office. It is something that I cannot believe I didn't buy before, but it is a game changer for the way I work. I love it so much. And it isn't a screen or a keyboard or a USB-C dock. That's what I don't think any of you will expect what it is, but it is so good. And I recommend that if you are a developer, you need to have one of these. Now, before we keep going, yes, I did cut my hair. Yes, I did it by myself. Yes, I regret it. Yes, I know I have like a Ajumoni emo look now, but hopefully it is gonna grow very quickly soon, hopefully. But also, something to know is that this video isn't sponsored by anybody, okay? So if I mention a brand, just know I am not promoting the brand, I'm promoting the feature. If you can find an equivalent in your home country, if you can buy it, the same feature, different brand, whatever, just get it there, used, cheaper, doesn't matter. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing I'm really happy with is this standing desk right here, that it allows you to set a timer. And when the timer is over, in this case, half an hour, for example, when the timer is over, this thing will vibrate and it will remind you to stand up. It will make a noise so you remember to stand up, which is very cool. It also has a USB-C port so you can charge your stuff. Here we have these lights. I am a content creator, as you know, so I need lights to record my courses. The brand is Godox, and yeah, they're very good. They have a controller. They can be connected together, multiple ones. It's very nice. Let's keep going. This laptop, I bought it long time ago. It's not new. This from Amazon, very nice dock. This also from Amazon, very nice dock for the phones, especially if you are making applications like I am. If you're making apps, this is the ideal setup. I used to do it like this, but it is a pain in the ass to code and have to look down. No, that sucks. Now, the first purchase that I'm incredibly happy about is this screen right here. This is a Dell 4K 27-inch screen, and number one, I didn't know coding in a 4K screen was this awesome. The code looks so good. Oh my God, it looks so crisp. The font looks so sexy. I love coding looking at this screen. It is the best, the absolute best. What makes this monitor even better is that under here, there are a bunch of USB and USB-C ports. So when you buy this screen, you not only buy the screen, you also buy a USB dock, and also this stand is pretty good as well. I don't have to buy a monitor arm, I don't have to buy a USB dock, I just buy one screen and it has all of those things, which is pretty nice. You can see it here right now, it is powering the microphone I use to record the courses, and also this same screen right now is feeding the laptop. There, USB-C. It is charging the laptop, so I don't have to have a charger anywhere, which is so cool. And this laptop is also charging or feeding this light right here. This light, the brand is Quntis, and it's very nice. You cannot tell it's on right now because it's the daytime, but it's very nice for the nighttime. This chair is from IKEA. It does the job, it's fine, but I'm not using this chair often, to be honest, because of the next purchase I want to show you, and that one is the one I recommend every single one of you has. That, my friends, is a walking treadmill. What I do every morning is I come to my room, and when it's time to work, I just press this button right here. That will make the standing desk go up, of course, and that will reveal this thing right here. Boom, a walking treadmill. And then what I do is I just come in here.
And I'm ready to start my day.
And that's it. So now I use this controller. I am trying to set a distance target instead of calorie target. So what I do is I try to walk 8 kilometers every day. And this is me walking at 2 kilometers per hour while looking at a gorgeous 4K screen that showed me some beautiful code. And this is the purchase I am the most happy about. I cannot believe I didn't do this before. The reason why is because, number one, I believe sitting is very bad for you, and you can look at research online that shows you how bad it is to sit for such long periods of time. Now, if you have a treadmill like this one, you are always in movement. So as you can see, you can have conversations. I've been taking phone calls here when I do the one-to-one coaching with you guys. I'm coding as well. If I have to study something, I just put my headphones on and watch like this and learn whatever. It is the best thing in the world because I am moving, I'm using my body, I'm exercising, and it's helping my posture as well. There is no reason why I should be doing like this, like when people have a turtleneck because they are sitting down and they're slouching. Here I am walking and I can code fantastically well. Everything works. It is so nice. I wanted to share specifically this with you. And since I have a newborn, not a newborn, but I have a 1-year-old baby, I don't have the time to walk that much in the morning by myself. But now, because I'm working and exercising, I feel so much better because at the end of the day, I am tired because I worked so much, so my brain is tired, but also my body is tired, and it feels nice to be tired in your body. I love that feeling of feeling like you used your body. Also, this, I believe, makes me more productive because I don't know why, but walking just makes me want to work. I don't want to waste time while I walk. I don't know why. But something that I did notice is that after I eat and I go back to my desk, it's very hard to get back in the mood of working. But now with this thing, I finish eating, I come back to work, and I walk. And I believe it helps my digestion and it doesn't make me crash. I don't have a carb crash, like a lunch coma after I eat. It is amazing. And I wish every single one of you get to feel this when you work because it feels like a game changer for me. It really is. I absolutely love it. And I wanted to share that with you. And we as developers, we are sitting down so many hours per day that our bodies, our necks, our backs are going to suffer when we are old. And I don't want to be like that. I want to be a healthy father for my children. So yeah, that's it. That's why I bought this thing.
And I absolutely love it. It is a serious game changer for me. Really, I absolutely love it. I think I said that so many times. You're going to be clicking away from this video right now. But yeah, you can be one of those.
Yeah, that's it. Maybe I should make a video about my weight loss journey because with this thing I lost so much weight. It's crazy because you're just burning calories while you work. It's the best. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments what do you think of this setup. Please remember, nothing has been sponsored. Please remember, try to get the same features, not the same brands. It doesn't matter. I think this one is the best thing about in my life as a developer. This one and my MacBook. Seriously. Let me know in the comments also if you want me to make a video specifically about how does it feel to walk while working. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video for a normal video about code. See you there. Bye-bye. Hold there.